child lock. We get telephone calls from customers saying my oven is not working, and more often than not the customer has leant against the control knob and put the child lock on. I'm going to show you how to put the child lock on and put the child lock off again. To put it on, you press in the temperature control. N-O-O is child lock on. Now you won't know it's on until you come to select, and you'll get N-0. If you get this on either oven, you can cancel it by quite simply pressing in the control knob again and hold it until it says N-1 or off.